Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu graham cake, updated. Start by assembling graham crackers, mascarpone, eggs, sugar, strong coffee, cocoa, and a baking pan. Then chill your mascarpone thoroughly and make sure coffee is cooled before assembling so layers remain distinct and not soggy. Begin by separating eggs and whipping yolks with sugar to create a silky custard. Then fold in mascarpone until smooth. Whip whites to soft peaks and gently incorporate for lift. Quickly dip graham crackers in cooled coffee and layer with mascarpone, repeating until the pan is full, finishing with a dusting of cocoa and a smooth top before chilling to set the cake properly. This tiramisu graham cake is mostly make ahead. Chilling does the heavy lifting. Place the assembled cake in the fridge for at least 4 hours, though overnight yields the best slice and flavor melding. When ready to serve, sift cocoa on top moments before plating to preserve the aroma, and use a hot knife for clean slices while serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.